In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of your background in your video inside of CapCut. So here we already have a footage that we will be working on the timeline. So what we want to do is right click, copy, click on the timeline, right click, paste it. So we have two of the same clip. Select the bottom clip and right click. Let's deactivate clip for the moment. Select the top clip, come to cutout on the top, come to auto cutout and let it apply the effect. When this is done, what you want to do is come down to the bottom clip, activate clip, and then come up to video, basic, and scroll all the way down to canvas. What you want to do is to select color, and you can select the color background. Let's select black. So it says background has been added. So what we want to do is we want to go to mask, rectangle. What we want to do is hit this reverse button, and then we can expand the mask to cover the entire video. And I'll play this video so we can see the effect. Okay, so that's when we change this to a different background. Select the clip, come down to canvas, and you can select greenish color, and I'll play it from the beginning. So that's how you can easily change the background color of your video inside of CapCut.